Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have come back with some update of my little garden and updates about why no videos uploaded since a month. As you all know, we are in the middle of pandemic. It was very sad and unhappy state. No peace of mind because many of our relatives, friends and loved ones, near and dear ones, were suffering from this coronavirus. Many became the victim of this virus and lost their lives. It was very difficult and hard time for us. It was so disturbing to do anything other than praying for everyone's health and for their speedy recovery. I request you all to keep each and every one in your prayers, those who all are facing this bad situation of pandemic. Now let me give you the update of my garden. These clips of my garden is from last month, which I couldn't upload it on time. They were so beautiful to see each and every vegetable growing from very minute small fruit to a big vegetable. You can see these beans, tomatoes. This is all just the beginning. The latest update you can see it is nice big. I will give you in next week. So long the clips you saw was from the last week of April. Now these clips all are from the second week of May. Even in second week of May you can see this Ponangani Kire and all has not yet come out well. This is the strawberry. Strawberry flower has turned into strawberry fruit, yet it has to grow big. I will show you in my next video how it grows. And then these all are the little plants. And this cherry tomato is giving really very good harvest. You will be seeing it shortly. Now itself you can see both the cherry tomato plants are fully loaded with lot of tomatoes. These are sweet million tomatoes. They are going to be very delicious and very sweet. I will keep you updated. This plant got root rot, so I had to fix it. I just used little bit of hydrogen peroxide mixed in water and changed the pot. That's it, and it got fixed. You can see that plant alone was little bit yellowish leaves, but later on it got fixed. These are bush beans. These bush beans also, each and every plant had nice full bunches of beans, and capsicum also, a lot of capsicum. This is purple capsicum also, is very nice. Actually it is named purple capsicum, but when it comes it is very light in color. Pale yellow it will be, then it turns to purple. These strawberries also will be first turning into white and then red. These all are eggplant flowers, lot of flowers. Many fell down. If anybody knows how to fix it, can please share it with me. I just tried to pollinate by myself, and now I have stopped overwatering also. I don't know what makes eggplant flowers fall down. If anybody of you know, please let me know in the comment box. And my curry leaf plant is also very beautiful. Wear mask, wash your hands, sanitize your hands, maintain social distancing and stay safe. Until then, I will come back with another video of the latest update of my garden. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Bye bye.